First, click here to register your account. Okay, use this referral link of Huobi exchange. Okay, this is my referral code 6F4P2223. Okay, and if you will register your account my this Huobi exchange, you will get 15% cashback bonus. Okay, after registration, do with me in practical. Okay, this Huobi exchange, my referral link, you will find into the description of this video. Each and every one of you, today I am going to show you, okay, how to transfer or deposit money into Huobi exchange. Okay, Huobi exchange from Binance. Okay, see how to do this process. Just I am clicking here after login Binance exchange, fiat and spot. Okay, after clicking here, okay, this will appear. Now click here to withdraw from which currency. In this case I want to withdraw USDT. Okay, now click here to crypto, and after clicking crypto, and click here to select USDT. Okay, after selecting USDT, now paste that address here. Okay, first I have already logged in Huobi exchange, as you will see here. Now I am clicking here which balances. After clicking balances, assets overview. Okay, after clicking assets overview, just click here deposit. Okay, after clicking deposit, select your US coin, which coin do you want to deposit. In this case I want to deposit which USDT. Okay, USDT, which network address. Okay, TRC20 network address. Transaction fee from Binance is very low. First select USDT. After selecting USDT, just click here TRC20 network. Okay, you must be careful and click here to copy this address. Okay, after copying, paste it onto here Binance. As you will see here, it's automatic selected TRC20. You can also select manually. It means that address is correct. Now I want to transfer. Okay, just for example, I want to transfer 15 USDT. Okay, I have received 14 USDT into Huobi exchange. Just click here to withdraw. Just $1 transaction fee. Click here to continue, and I am typing codes and back again. Okay, after typing codes, just click here to submit. Okay, submitted successfully completed. Okay, it takes just 1 minute, okay, to complete confirmations. Then you will receive this amount 14 USDT on Huobi exchange. As you will see here, it's showing here 14 USDT. Okay, waiting for confirmation. Now I am clicking here and check your Huobi exchange. Okay, it's showing here deposit history. I am again refreshing this page. Okay, okay, as you will see here, okay, here is showing deposit completed. Okay, in this way you can deposit money, okay, any amount from Binance to Huobi exchange. Okay, the transaction takes 1 minute to complete. Okay, thanks.